Thank you for surviving another day. Your ancestors are proud of you. Before we begin tonight's story, I invite you to take a deep breath. Let go of the weight of the day. You are safe here. This story is part of SweetDreams Africa, a channel created to bring you peace through the beauty of African folktales. If my stories bring you comfort or help you rest, you can support this sacred journey by buying me a cup of hibiscus tea using the link in the description. Also, before you get into the story and fall asleep, don't forget to subscribe by tapping the bell option on your screen so you never miss a night of wisdom, warmth, and rest. Now, close your eyes, African child. Tonight's story begins. Long ago in the heart of Mali, there was a village kissed by the sun, surrounded by golden fields and tall, whispering baobab trees. But for many seasons, no rain had fallen. The earth cracked and crumbled. The rivers dried into dust, and the people began to despair. In this village lived a young girl named Awa. She was quiet, kind, and full of wonder. Her voice was soft like silk, and her heart even softer. Every day she walked barefoot to the edge of the forest, singing to the skies, hoping the heavens might listen. One day, the village elders gathered. "The land is dying," they said. "We have prayed, danced, fasted, still no rain. The spirits demand a gift, a sacrifice." The people grew afraid. But before anyone could speak, Awa stood up and whispered, "I will go." They begged her not to. "You are just a girl," they said. "You owe us nothing." But Awa only smiled. "I am the child of this earth," she said, "and I will ask the sky myself." And so, with nothing but a calabash of water and a string of cowrie shells, Awa walked into the sacred hills, where the sky meets the earth. For 7 days she climbed. For 7 nights she sang. Her voice rose into the heavens, not in fear, but in love. And on the 8th day, as she lay asleep beneath a tamarind tree, the clouds began to gather, softly, gently, then louder, stronger, until the sky wept. Rain poured down like a song returning home. It kissed the fields, the animals, the children's faces, and just like that, the earth began to breathe again. Awa never returned. Some say she became a spirit of the rain. Some say she walks the skies, singing for those who feel forgotten. But in every village where her name is remembered, the rains never stay away too long. So sleep now, African child. Let your spirits rest like rain on a soft soil. And if you listen closely, you might hear our song in the winds tonight. Good night. Sleep, African child. Sleep.